Alright, I'm gonna show you a quick set we made here. So we've got the roadway, or the travel way. Back there, got this cut. Let's see if I can back out. Okay, we got this cut trail. Comes through here, goes down there, it comes back, it comes up here, well, comes down there, up this way, comes out to this point. And look what we've got on the point. This set's been here about 2 weeks now, untouched. And just a white porta pocket right there. I painted that white. Seemed like the cats like the white, and then the coyotes like the brown and green. But this is just like a Y intersection. You can see it. See it better right there. Trail there, and it comes right out to that. I mean, it's simple. With a porta pocket set. And weather like this, it's about all that's working. But I had a coyote over here last week. Pretty much ruined that set, but I remade it anyways just for fun. I got 2 more sets on the other back side. There's another road that comes out right there. I got 2 sets there. Haven't caught nothing yet this year, but this is the first cat here on this Y right here. But kind of a pine. This is all pines through here, but pretty catty looking area. All right, party on.